Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 26 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 1749, maximum absolute sum of any subarray. Okay, so now let's read the problem statement first. You are given an integer array nums. Okay, the absolute sum of a subarray is the absolute of the summation of all the numbers inside it. Okay, so first we are finding out the summation of all the numbers inside the particular subarray, right? So if the summation is 8, then after it we are doing the absolute. Okay, so we are going to get the output as 8. But if the summation of all these is -8, then also we are going to get 8. Okay, we are going to get the max output 8 only, right? In that case, right? So we have to return the maximum absolute sum of any possibly empty subarray of nums. Okay, so now let's understand this with example number 1 here. So this is my nums array, right? 1 -3 2 3 -4. Okay, so in this subarray, if you see, the summation is 5, right? So 5 is the output. Okay, this is going to be max. Okay, but is subarray is a continuous sequence of numbers in a particular array, right? So this is going to give the max. Okay, here if you see this particular subarray, so summation is -5 1 -4 -4 -4 -8. So -8. Okay, so -8 is going to give me 8. Okay, so this is going to be the maximum sum. The subarray -5 1 -4 has the absolute sum. Okay, so now how we are going to solve this problem, let's see that. Okay, so let's take the example number 1 first. We have 1, then we have -3, then we have 2, then we have 3, and then we have -4 here. Okay, so here let me just give the index in here: 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here just tell me one thing. Initially I have a number 2. Okay, so in that number I have added, let's say, 3. Okay, so then I will get the output as 5. Okay, initially sum is 2 here. If I added 3 in it, I will get 5. Okay, and if I added 5 in it, I will get 10, right? So now here until here the sum is 2. Okay, until this point this is nothing but x. Okay, and until this point the sum is z. Okay, let's say z, that is 10, right? Now here you are doing the summation of all these 2, then 3, and then 5. Okay, but now I want you to just calculate the difference, just calculate the sum for this part only. Okay, so here 10 is the summation of this complete part, but I want you to give me the summation of only this part, right? This 2 to 5, the complete summation is 10, which is z, and here 3 to 5, this is the output that I want from you guys, right? X, let's say. And now here you know that until here summation is 2, right? Until here summation is 2, and the for complete is 10. So from this 10, okay, if I subtract x, that is nothing but this. Okay, so what is the output that I'm going to get? 10 minus 2 is nothing but 8. So 8. Okay, let's say this is y, this part. Okay, this complete. Okay, so here this is nothing but 8 only, right? So how I'm getting 8? Total summation until here, okay, minus this. So this is going to give me the summation of this part. Okay, this particular subarray, right? Okay, so now here I'm going to utilize the same thing here. One. Okay, so here see, I'm going to calculate the prefix sum, let's say. All right, so here if I add this 1 initially, I will get 1. If I add -3 to this one, I will get -2. If I add 2 here, I will get 0. If I add 3 here, I will get 3. If I add 3 and -4, so I will get -1. Okay, so this is the prefix sum. Okay, 1 -3 is -2, 1 -3 2 is going to give 0, 1 -3 2 3 is going to give me 3, right? And here 1 -3 2 3 and -4 is going to give me -1, right? This is clear. Okay, so here see, 1, then 1 -3 is -2, -2 2 plus 0, 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus -4, so I will get -1. All right, clear. So now here you know the output of this is 2 3. Okay, this subarray 2 and 3. Okay, let me just highlight. Okay, 2 and 3. All right, so here how you are going to get the output like 5 here. So until here you know that sum is 3, right? Until here you know the sum is 3. Okay, and you want this part, right? This part 2 and 3, you know that the output this is max. Okay, so here you are going to pick this, right? You are going to subtract 3 and then minus 2. So this is going to give you the output of this part, right? So this way we are calculating this. Okay, this is clear. But how we know that this is going to be the part now? How we know that? So here in the prefix sum, okay, in this array, if you see that this is the max prefix sum that we are getting here, max value 3, and this is nothing but the min value that we are getting. Okay, this is the min value that we are getting, this is the max value that we are getting. Okay, here 1 minus 2 0 3 and minus 1, so 3 is the max one. Okay, out of these, and minus 2 is the minimum one. Okay, so just do max minus min. Okay, this is going to give you the max sub array. Okay, maximum of absolute sub array, right? This is what you need to do, max and min. Okay, so now apply the same thing here. We have 2, we have minus 5, we have 1, we have minus 4, then we have 3 here, and we have minus 2 here. Okay, so just here I'm going to write the prefix sums. So here we are going to get 2, then we are going to get minus 3, 2 minus 5 minus 3, minus 3 plus 1, I'm going to get minus 2, minus 2 minus 4, I'm going to get minus 6, minus 6 plus 3, I will get minus 3, minus 3 minus 2, I will get minus 5. Okay, so here tell me the min value of this min value here. So min is minus 6 is the minimum. Okay, and what is the max here? Out of these max is this. Okay, so take this is my min. Okay, this is my max. Okay, so what you need to do, first you have to write max one, right? What is max here? Max is 2, and then you have to, what you have to do, you have to subtract here. Okay, 2 minus, and what is the min? So minus 6, so you are going to get the output as 8. Okay, so this is what you need to do. So this way you have to do, right? You can also subtract like this, minus 6, and then you have to subtract minus 2, you are going to get minus 8. Okay, and minus 8 is the, if you do the absolute, you are going to get 8. Okay, but here we can actually do one more thing. We can write first max and then we can subtract minus from it, then also we are going to get the same output only, right? Right, so this is what we need to do here. Okay, so, and this is going to solve our problem. All right, so now let's write the code. Okay, so this is very simple approach actually, prefix sum approach. Okay, so here initially in take a few variables, like initially the mean prefix sum, let's say, is 0. All right, and max prefix sum also, let's say it is 0 initially, and the prefix sum initially, okay, is 0. Okay, so we have to just update the min and max, right? These are the few things that we have to do, right? And here we are just going to run one loop for int or you can use for each loop for int num in nums. Okay, so here what you have to do, in the prefix sum you have to add the num value. Okay, and then you have to update min prefix sum and max prefix sum every time. Okay, max prefix sum. So min prefix sum we are going to update as math.min of math.min of min prefix sum, and here you have to write prefix sum. Okay, and here you have to update max, right? So here you are going to write math.max of max prefix sum and prefix sum. Done. That's it. That's it. And here you are simply going to return what you are going to return. First you can write a max prefix sum minus min prefix sum. All right, and this is going to give you the output. That's it. Okay, so I'm not using any absolute. Okay, first I'm writing max and then I'm min. Okay, so now let's run it and see if there are code issues. Okay, so all the test cases has been accepted, right? Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And the time complexity for this problem is going to be of n, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.